alligation and mixtures. This is important concept in aptitude. Alligation is a rule which enables us to find the ratio. So ratio can be obtained by the rule of alligation. When two quantities are being mixed up, say suppose if we have a rice of first category type 1 rice, rice of second category as type 2 rice. Can these two quantities of different categories can be mixed up to form a mixture? So we are mixing up these two quantities to form a mixture. So for this mixture, I want to set a price called as mean price or desired price. It is like when we have two quantities of type 1 rice and another quantity of type 2 rice, two categories of same rice product is being mixed, calling it as a mixture. When we consider only the prices, let cost price of first type and cost price of second type be different, where we are setting a mean price for the mixture. So it is price we are setting for the other. When we have three quantities, we can find it out the ratio of how much quantity of first, how many bags of first category of rice can be mixed up with how much quantity of bags of second category of rice at the given prices. It is like, say suppose C is the cost price of first quantity, D is cost price of second quantity, usually considered as cheaper and dearer. It is not necessary like cheaper means lesser value or dearer means greater value. It is where to differentiate the prices of two quantities we have taken one as cheaper C and the other as dearer. When we are mixing and setting a price for the mixture called as M, that is mean price, we need to know how much of the ratios are being obtained. The ratio of the first one is D minus M and the ratio of the other is M minus C. It is like C, D and M. Obtaining the values of the ratio as X is to Y, where this X is considered as dearer minus mean price and Y is considered as mean minus cheaper. It is like quantity of A by quantity of B can be given as D minus M by M minus C. It is obtaining the ratio of X is to Y when two different prices of C and D are two quantities have been given, to mix that into a mixture, and I want to set a desired price called as mean price for the mixture. So it is with quantity of A and quantity of B is mixed in the ratio of D minus M by M minus C.